What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Fiverr and I'm gonna teach you how to auto reply to first message from the buyer, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, what is it basically? It's an auto reply feature. It jumps on the opportunity with your inbox automatic reply. So overall, how it works, buyers on Fiverr are more likely to place an order with sellers who respond quickly to their first messages with no prior contact. You can utilize this auto reply option to help you get more orders and new business with just a few simple clicks. To set up your own auto reply message, go into an inbox message and click the lightning bolt icon on the bottom left of the chat window. Turn the feature to on to activate it, toggle the switch off to disable it. Type in the message that you would like to automatically send the buyers or edit the current text you have. If you'd like to edit your message, view their suggestion. You can also view their suggested templates and just click save. So auto reply message does not substitute a directly reply message. If you don't respond to the buyer within 24 hours from when they send their message, your inbox response rate will be affected. So overall guys, we are having templates. As you can see over here, there are 4 templates. So quite an easy process to set up your own auto reply. Go into any inbox message and click the lightning bolt icon on the bottom of the left chat. On the bottom left of the chat, turn the option on to activate it and type in the message that would you like automatically sent to the buyers, or edit the current text. If you have some text in your messages, click save, and as you activated, your auto reply message will be automatically sent when a buyer messages you for the first time. So overall, that's the entirety of the process. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. As always guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.